All right, we're at this viewpoint called, say again, Hai Tak Land. Hai Tak Land. That's a viewpoint.
Yeah, the coffee shop there.
Yeah. I didn't come to look at coffee shops. I just came to check the view out.
They have view.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. We can go down there and have a. We can go down there and have a coffee. What's Thailand without a windmill? Just shows you how the Dutchies got here and put their footprint on the place a little bit. Okay. So where you came walking around here for a good view? There's a temple here. We might as well have a look at that. Okay. So we're going down here, are we? Or
We didn't have got a homestay there also. Resort.
yeah, it looks a bit like a.
See?
Looks like a bit of a, yeah, it's all resorty sort of stuff here. So this would be, I guess this would be a pretty cool place to sit when all the fog's in and all the low cloud and whatnot.
Yeah. Because the good view.
Yeah.
The mountain.
Yeah. Yeah.
I like that flower.
Yeah, they've got a few of those, I think they've got a few of those flat top mountain ranges there, like one there.
Yeah, where them buy that flower.
Which one?
These trees. You see
Just break a piece off, get the seed. Look, there's some seed there, get some seed you can make grow yourself. Not have to buy.
Nice flower. Beautiful. Beautiful color.
Yeah. Cappuccino. Well, we stopped at a nursery, or one of these mini nurseries out here, and we were going to go somewhere for lunch about an hour ago. And we ended up buying trees and stuff, and I'm going around in circles around this nursery. It's a pretty cool nursery, but you know, she forgot she was hungry. That we're in, there's lots of garden centres, tree places and all of that. We just bought a couple of what looked to me like Norfolk pines. Check out this garden area. I just saw this, I thought it was worth videoing. Let me have a look, see if I can get up here. Look at that shade cloth area there. How cool is that? And all the trees growing up through it. How cool is that? Oh yeah, it's quite nifty. Anyway, so we bought a couple of these ones here, but very small. So we'll see how they grow at our place. They cost us about 150 baht for each one. What's that? About $7 or something like that. Yeah, it's only money. See ya.
Bye. No, I put big.
I'm just staying in touch with this walking person here. Lao Lao.
Like the walking.
Lao Lao, I'll tie you to the car. This is what we're buying. I think they are conifers. I think. Oh, how many are we getting? Oh, we're going to do. Oh, okay. 10 la. Sip.
ต่างหากเป็นงอนนึง
โอ้พ่อเอานะเจ้าห้าให้ค่อยนะบ่ฮู้จักพวกอันก็ได้เวลาเอาลงดินเอาไม้ซัก
Looks like because I've finished the kitchen. These are the other two that we bought. Hopefully they're all right there like that. Don't know if you can see them.
1 minute later.
ไม่ก็
Put in the farm.
Look, Ree saw a dog and she wants another dog. How many dogs do we have, Ree? Ree? How many do we have already? How many?
4,
Hmm.
5, 6.
Bo.
Come
Bo
on.
lao. My out.
I put at the farm.
No. No.
We,
No.
if you buy the
Like we don't have enough dogs already. Bloody hell. I had to say no hard then. That's the first time I've had to do that. Bloody hell. Right, we are at Namtok Pla Ba. Namtok Pla Ba. Is that it, Ree? How do you say it? Yeah, that's in Thai. This is for my English speaking. Pla Ba. There you go. That was kind of worth the drive. This is only about.
more people, you know.
Yeah, this is only about from where, well, we just had lunch at the same restaurant we were at yesterday, and this is only about, I don't know, 9-minute drive from there or something like that, from Phu Ruea town. So quite a cool little river. This will be heaps better in the wet season, but we're out of the wet season now. But I knew there'd still be a bit of water up here because we're only just out of the wet season. There you go. That's a pretty nice little river. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, they might have gone for a bushwalk or something. Yeah, some people do that, Ree. Oh, we can go down there, I think, Ree. I'll show you. Come up this way, don't you? Now, there's a bit of a walkway thing here. Cool. Check that out, there's a waterfall there, we can go have a look at that. You beauty. Let's go up and have a look. There's another track here somewhere. Wow. Oh, hang on. Whoop, I'll get lost. Go back this way. This is the last bit of footage I'm doing today, and then we're heading home. Right, here. Money. You guys probably heard me say that. Money, or money, when you say that, is not, we're not talking about money. It means come here. Well, hang on, we'll go down here first. Oh, this is well worth coming here. Beautiful. How cool is that? There's a couple of people down there having a picnic. Pretty good idea, that. Oh, fantastic. Come down here and have a look. Yeah, we can go down there as well. You want to? Here's a video of me taking a video of Bree taking a video of me. Actually, I'm taking 2 videos of it because I'm using my GoPro too. And I'm using my phone for those on the GoPro.
You see there what you call?
Hello.
The color. You see? Like what you call?
Mist.
Yeah, the color.
Oh, rainbow.
Yeah, rainbow.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at my phone. My phone gets it good. Do you get it good on your phone?
Yeah.
Look, see? I don't know what it's like on my GoPro. Let's have a look.
Sometimes nice, sometimes
Yeah. Wow, that's pretty cool, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go down and see those ladies. Yeah, there's a mermaid down there. Right, which way do you go? There's a couple of different ways to go here. I wonder what that sign says. Don't go down here. Let's just check it out before I go down. It looks like it goes down around the other way. Let's see. A bit dodgy. These stairs. Huh? You go that way. I can't go this way, can I? Okay. It's a bit of a maze. Even though it's amazing, it's a bit of a maze. We're out the Ying. Hope you guys are loving my jokes. Oh, check out this. I don't know if my fat legs will fit through here. Just. Whoop. Oh, no. Jesus. Oh. Yeah, look. That's the little pathway I just walked through. Alright. Oh shit. Bloody rocks jutting out. There's little things that can bite you here. See the edge of that mesh? You want to watch out when you haven't got proper shoes on. Sawadee krap. I told you there's some mermaids in here.
เป็นสายลุงขึ้นตามน้ำอ๋อถ้าไปถ่ายดูถ้ามันขึ้นมาตรงนี้อ่ะละอองขึ้นมาเป็นสายลุงเลย
Hey, this was worth coming in, wasn't it, Ree? See,
เชนมาสิ
see, I have good idea. Oh well. Is that hard for you walking? Yeah, that's okay. Me too. I have to watch where I'm going, not worry about the camera. Okay, we're landing on a rock here. Oh, okay. This is the easiest way to walking around. Go this way. Oosa, oosa. Walking with no hands is a bit dangerous, but we'll get there. Wah, wah. Sawadee Cup. Oh, đi đó. Picnic. Picnic. Sway. Mạc. Oh, I hope you guys know I'm putting my life on the line for you guys for this footage, because I'm just walking around these rocks with 2 cameras in my hand. Now, let me see what's going to be the best vantage point here to get the final shots in. Ooza! Oh yeah, this is us. This nice big rock to lean against. Oh yeah. How good is that? Alright, time for some photos, I think. I'm going to end it here, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this trip with us. This is probably the first time. This is probably the first time I've remembered to do an ending. I'm just trying to see what my phone's doing as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the trip. And if it's something you like, you know, we do it from time to time. Follow me, subscribe, like, comment, do all of that. Engage with my channel. It makes it grow, it makes it better. Okay, this is a Squirrel Guru signing off. Pretty bloody amazing.